Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about how to install wall seat and spindle guide on the generator cylinder head. So before doing this, you need to put the wall seat and spindle guide on the meat room or fish room. You can use hydraulic oil and keep it on the reefer room. So we are taking the guide from the meat room and just hit with a brass hammer. The spindle guide will go smoothly, and check for any clearance after installing it. There should not be any gap. Use feeler gauge or check with the height with the other spindle guides. So for installing wall seat, you just need to put the wall seat. Before that, you need to clean the bore well and clean. There should not be any particles. So this is a special tool for installing the wall seat. If you are not having this tool on board, you can also use the wall spindle and hit with a brass rod or zinc rod or whatever. Once you fit, you need to check there should not be any gap. You can see the jumping of that tool, then it has been seated properly. And for installing the inlet wall seat, there will be a punch mark on the wall seat and as well as on the cylinder head. You need to match both the punch mark of the inlet wall seat and the cylinder head and place it correctly on the cylinder and just hammer it with a tool which you are having. It will go inside and you need to check well matched. Okay guys, we'll see you in next video with other useful information. Bye bye.